Yeah, okay. I wish, my friend. Wow. You you served me a lot of fish. That's the one. If I go there, eating fish and crabs and lobsters. Oh my God. Have you got lobsters there? They're very expensive. Just, oh, I want to see the lobsters. Visit my channel and show the lobsters. Is there a lot of lobsters? It's an island. What? Okay, thank you. Wow. How nice of you guys. Yeah. Yeah, that's the one. I love fish. We're gonna grill the fish. Oh my god. We're gonna cook like a Filipino dish. My friend. Yeah. I love fish. I love lobsters, crabs, something like